Hello and welcome to our architectural tour of the Devon Valley House, a residence designed by McLean Quinlan that harmoniously blends contemporary design with the serene beauty of its natural surroundings. The exterior is defined by geometric volumes that create a striking silhouette against the landscape. These carefully layered planes not only emphasize the modern character of the building but also serve to modulate light and shadow throughout the day, adding depth and visual intrigue to the structure. The stone used in the house is a standout element of its construction system. Sourced locally, it is thoughtfully integrated as both cladding and accent material, lending the facade a natural, rugged texture that contrasts beautifully with the modern finishes. A mix of reinforced concrete, steel, and natural timber forms the backbone of the structure. The natural stone not only enhances the building's aesthetic appeal by adding depth and warmth but also contributes significantly to its durability and thermal performance. Its incorporation reflects a commitment to sustainable building practices and a desire to connect the home with its surrounding landscape, creating a seamless dialogue between the structure and nature. The design follows an open-plan concept that fluidly connects in the first floor living, dining, and kitchen areas, fostering a sense of community and openness. The careful zoning ensures that each area has its own identity, yet remains seamlessly integrated into the overall design narrative of the home. The windows are strategically positioned to optimize both natural lighting and views of the surrounding landscape. Expansive glass panels are incorporated into the facade at key locations, allowing sunlight to flood the interior spaces while creating a visual dialogue with the outdoors. This thoughtful placement not only accentuates the minimalist aesthetic but also enhances the connection between the home and its natural environment. On the exterior, natural stone and timber are paired with modern finishes to create a facade that is both rugged and refined. Inside, high-quality materials, such as polished concrete, custom woodwork, and expansive glass panels, further elevate the aesthetic. Thoughtfully curated furnishings and artful accents create focal points that enhance the spatial experience without overwhelming the senses. Every detail, from bespoke light fixtures to subtle decorative touches, is meticulously chosen to complement the overall design and ensure a cohesive aesthetic throughout the home. The surrounding gardens are meticulously designed to echo the clean lines and organic materials of the house. Natural pathways, native plantings, and serene outdoor seating areas invite residents to enjoy the tranquility of the valley. The Devon Valley House stands as a compelling example of modern architecture, where every element, from the dynamic facade and robust construction system to the seamless distribution of spaces and exquisite detailing, is crafted with intention and precision. This home is a celebration of design that marries functionality with artistic expression, creating a living environment that is both innovative and warmly connected to nature.